Okay, today we've just been out shooting blowgun. This is the Tim Wells 6-foot Magnum bore, or the .625 bore blowgun. Let me tell you, I'm quite impressed with the impact it's got. So we're probably going to run inside real quick and we'll talk about this, because guys, I'm going to tell you right now, it is hot and it is humid. Okay. That up there, that's what's so hot. Oh dear goodness. Here come a bunch of Harleys driving by. So there we go. Never fails right when I'm getting ready to film. So anyways, hit the subscribe button, follow, share it with your friends if you like what you're seeing today. We're gonna head inside and we're gonna talk a little bit about this blowgun, and then we'll show a little bit some of the slow-mo footage of some of the darts, some of the explosions, because yes, we had balloons with powder in them. We had some explosions. Hot damn. So let's catch you in the flip side. Blowgun, let's do it. Okay, now let's head into the studio. Let's talk a little bit about this here blowgun. Okay, so we are back. We've been outside filming today, and part of the reason you're not going to see a lot of the actual shots and stuff like that is because today was kind of we did some exclusive shooting. We were actually live over on TikTok while we were doing the shooting. Luckily, we didn't get banned during the process, because TikTok is sometimes funny about firearms and slingshots and blowguns. Most of the time, people that are shooting guns usually do end up getting kicked off. However, I got lucky enough, I was able to actually use this to shoot a bunch of stuff. So I did get some slow motion footage of it, but I wanted to show you guys the 6-foot Tim Wells big bore blowgun. This is the exact same one that he used to take down a bear, or a black bear, in one of his videos. So anyways, this thing comes in 3 pieces. Got your mouthpiece up here, and you've got your quiver there for putting your different types of darts in it. And there are a multitude of different darts that you can get for this. Bamboo darts, you can get some of these right here that are just your standard like target darts. And then I picked up a 50-pack of what they call the stunner darts, and shot these at some cans too. And let me tell you, these things are knocking the crap out of stuff. So yeah, you could probably take small game such as birds, rabbits, prairie dogs and stuff like that with these stunner darts. These right here are mainly for targets, and then these are for the hunting. And I've heard of people shooting this particular blowgun, taking anything from deer, elk, up to Tim Wells taking a blackberry. Did I say blackberry? I don't think that's right. Black bear. So anyways, right now these are on sale at Amazon. You can pick them up relatively cheap, but I wanted to show you the overall length of this thing. This thing is 6 foot. So if you're going to get yourself a big bore blowgun for hunting, you're going to want to get one of these 6-foot lengths, because the more tube you have, the better your trajectory and aim is going to be. I've heard people getting the 3-foot ones in the small ones that we used to buy like when we were kids, and they're like, oh, this will take down rabbits. Yeah, you can hunt rabbits and stuff like that, but if you're going to actually go out and hunt like bigger stuff, let's say wild hogs, feral hogs that are in your areas, deer, you can take these with this. Spin real quick and emphasize something else. Not only if you're going to be using this blowgun to hunt with, but learn how to use it. Don't just buy the blowgun and then take a couple of shots in your yard one day and be like, oh, I'm proficient enough to hunt. You need to know how to use this to where you can make an ethical kill if you are going to be hunting with it. You want to know where all the vital organs are in the animal you intend on hunting, whether it's a hog, deer, bear, elk, whatever. Learn how to use it. The key is to not make the animal suffer. Also, if you're going to be hunting, my preference is only do it if you're going to actually be hunting for food, not for trophies. So, my opinion, take it with a grain of salt. You're going to need the 6-foot one. It gives you more impact and better on your trajectory and your aiming is more accurate and true. So let's look at this one here. 3 parts, twist, you break it apart, and it's going to take a little while to do this because these are ultra fine threads on this thing.
A few inches later.
So let me unscrew it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There it is. Now, this is the head part of your blowgun. Look at those threads. You can kind of see them there. It's really fine threads. I'm not sure what the pitch is on it. I don't have a pitch gauge here at the house. I have one at the shop. And then you got the bottom part of your bore, and this piece right here does remove. So if you need, I'm not going to take it all the way off, but you can kind of see it twisting there. It does remove, and it screws down and locks into place. The reason I say you can take this off right here is if you've got a case that you want to actually carry your blowgun in, this added onto it might be about 2 inches too long than your standard cases, and it won't quite fit in there. So just pop that off, drop it in the case, and you're good to go. But like I said, each piece is 3 foot. So you've got a 6-foot blowgun here, and this is available from Colld Steel. It's also available on Amazon. And speaking of Colld Steel, I've got some products that I'm going to be giving away from Colld. You can see all the sweat all over me. Oh my God, it's hot and humid outside. You can see some products that I'm going to be giving away here soon on the show that were sent to me for this very purpose. So let's look what we have in the box. All right, guys, check it out. We've got right here on my lanyard the Colld Steel Urban Pal Punch Knife. I've got, I think, 20 of these to give away. They were sent to us so we could do this actual giveaway. And this is something that I want to do when we hit our 500 mark. So in order for us to get there, you've got to help out. You got to go ahead and hit that share, get other people to subscribe to our channel. And then when that happens, we're going to start giving out these, along with, I've got a few Camillus knives that I'm going to be giving away on the show. And where's the other one? Here's the other style of Camillus knife. This one actually has a ferrule rod in the handle. So yeah, these are some stuff we're going to be giving away in the upcoming future when we hit our 500 mark. I know we can do it because we've been climbing up in our views and as well as our subscribership. It just takes a little bit of effort for you guys to say, hey, share this video with a friend, and you got it done. But as you can see, I've got a whole box of these things to give away, and I want to do that for you, my viewers. So if you like what you saw today, I want to do another video later on when it's not so hot. It's been raining outside, so it's hot, also humid. I'm going to do another video fairly soon of the blowgun, me just going out and shooting targets. But for the meantime, you got to see some of the slow motion footage of the darts tearing up some targets. So if you like what you saw today, hit the subscribe button and share it with a friend. And this is just basically really casual today. Like I said, the main part of the shooting, we did it on a live stream and people seem to enjoy it. So we'll announce more stuff like that coming up. So with that, guys, have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Ugh.